In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in WP Engine in 25. So let's dive right in and get started on building that subdomain you've been wanting. First things first, you'll need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and open your favorite web browser, type in the WP Engine URL, and enter your credentials on the login page. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. This is where our journey begins. Now that you're in the dashboard, take a look around and locate your site environment. It's crucial to select the right environment because this is where you'll be adding your new subdomain. So find that specific site on the dashboard and click on it. This will open up new options related to the site, bringing us to our next step. Navigate to the Domains section. This is where the magic begins. Here, you want to select the option labeled Add Domain. By doing so, you'll be directed to the setting where you can input your subdomain details. Let's move on to entering your subdomain information. A subdomain is essentially an extension of your main website domain, functioning as a separate entity, yet still part of your main domain. For instance, if your domain were yourdomain.com, a suitable subdomain to add could be blog.yourdomain.com. Carefully type in the subdomain you wish to create. Once you're satisfied, confirm your input to proceed. Now, updating your DNS records with your domain registrar is the next crucial step. This ensures that your new subdomain will direct users to the correct server. After updating that, you'll need to add a CNAME record. This CNAME record will point your newly created subdomain to your site's address on WP Engine. What this does is ensure that when someone types your subdomain in their address bar, they'll be directed to the right place. Go ahead and add a CNAME record pointing your subdomain to your install.wpengine.com. It might sound technical, but it's straightforward once you know what you're looking for. Once that's done, there's a brief waiting game for DNS DOS propagation. The changes might take a few minutes to a few hours to fully take effect. It's a good time to grab a coffee or continue with other tasks while the DNS changes propagate globally. Finally, head back to WP Engine. Once the DNS has propagated successfully, your subdomain will verify automatically within your WP Engine dashboard. Congratulations, your subdomain is now active and you're all set to start using it. You've just made setting up a subdomain look easy with WP Engine. Be sure to check back with us for more useful tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.